Cranes are used in factories, warehouses, and shipyards to provide lifting and movement of heavy objects within the area covered by the crane's area of operation. Three primary types of cranes are used in industrial settings: bridge cranes, gantry cranes, and jib cranes. Bridge cranes are mounted on parallel rails attached to elevated wall structures. The bridge is a beam that runs between the two rails. A trolley with a hoist mechanism travels back and forth on the bridge. Gantry cranes have a bridge supported by two legs that move along floor-mounted rails or on wheels. As with the bridge crane, a trolley runs back and forth on the bridge. Jib cranes have a jib or a boom that is mounted to a wall or a mast. The jib crane swings in an arc around its pivot, and the trolley runs from end to end on the jib.